My name is Thao Lam, and I'm the creator of Thao with Owlkids books for spring of 2021. A couple years back, I read an NPR article about the psychological effects of mispronouncing a student's name, and I was really able to relate. So I wanted to capture that experience, hence I wrote Thao. My full name is Thao Lam. Thao means respectful of parents, obedient. Thao is a very common name in Vietnam. It's like Jennifer. As a kid, I used to really have anxiety about the first day of school, just because I knew that it'll be the first time a teacher would be introduced to me. So every time there was roll call, I knew that my name was coming up because there would be this slight pause by the teacher as she kind of figure out how my name is pronounced. I knew right away that it was going to be me, so my hand usually shoots up really quickly because I'm like, it's me, it's Thao. If a teacher mispronounced my name, then it kind of trickles down. Like the students will also go, oh, that's what the teacher called you. There was Thao, Theo, Towel. It made me super shy. Like I didn't really like bringing attention to myself because that brought attention to my name. A person's name is their identity, and it has a history and a culture to it. So when you gloss over it, it's dismissive and it's not acknowledging who they are. When in doubt, ask. You're not expected to know everybody's name or how to pronounce everybody's name, right? And that's what makes it great. Like we're all different. Our names are all different, and it's just acknowledging that difference.